Meteorologist Brittany Van Voorhees is here. Brittany, it was just a great day, obviously, to have the clouds, obviously not as much sun and the heat around. That's not going to stick around, though.
Unfortunately not.
Right.
But the rain was also beneficial. So like you said, for two reasons, the heat and humidity, plus we need it desperately. We're actually about 2.5 inches in a rainfall deficit. We've seen what's called a flash drought, which is when we see a substantial increase in drought conditions over a short period of time. And this is actually in both North and South Carolina. So almost 100% of both states are now under drier than normal or moderate drought conditions. Now, rain can help with this, but keep in mind, we're in the summertime now. And so vegetation, plants, gardens, high sun angle, more sunshine. We need more water this time of year than we do during, let's say, the winter and even early spring months. So the 0.02 of an inch that we got today actually put us above 1 inch for the month of June. We are in a deficit of 2 and about 6.63 inches so far. Now, June, of course, is almost over, so hoping that July brings us a little bit more rain. We are going to get a little bit of help over the next few days, as there are a few small opportunities for rain until we get towards Sunday. We're going to get to that, of course, in just a second. Rain chances pretty low right now out there. We have had a few sprinkles there up in portions of the mountains, so if you are in southern areas in Ashe as well as Watauga counties, you might be seeing some of those lingering showers, as well as one teeny tiny little spritz there in Chesterfield County. But for the most part, our Thursday rainfall is over. Tomorrow morning, we're mostly dry. We'll see a few spritz there, mostly north of I-40. But Friday, actually, your best chance of rain is into the afternoon and evening hours. So kind of a flip of what we had today. Thursday's rain was higher in the morning, lower in the evening. But tomorrow, it's actually much higher in the evening. You can see that past about 7, 8, 9 o'clock and even toward the overnight hours. But kind of the same area as I just talked about, mostly north of the I-40 corridor. Saturday, similar song and dance. You can see not a washout by any stretch, but look what happens towards Sunday. We've mentioned multiple times that Sunday afternoon and evening will be your best chance for rain and storms, where there's kind of a preview here. We still have a lot of time to watch how much rain and storm activity, but the majority of it is coming in on Sunday. So just a reminder here, I've seen a lot of questions here on social media. Even I know Brad was answering some questions even as he's on vacation. But again, Saturday, mostly going to be scattered, a little bit more activity on Sunday, but most of this into the afternoon and evening. So neither day is a washout. If you are still trying to, get grocery shopping done, maybe take a dip in the pool, head out on the lake, still getting those activities done, but staying safe while doing so, neither day is a washout. But if you had to pick one day, I would certainly pick Saturday versus Sunday because of the lesser rainfall coverage. Again, the big story heading into Saturday and Sunday is still the heat and humidity, as a heat advisory could be possible both days, but is certainly more likely on Sunday, as both days we want you to stay weather aware. Better rain chances come in Sunday afternoon and evening, and then that's what dries us out nicely heading into Monday and Tuesday. Your Guy Roofing 7-day forecast looks great. The brief cool down, though, comes Monday and Tuesday before the heat and humidity does return just in time for the 4th of July holiday.
All right, thanks for that extended look, Brittany.